Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at the products that promise to elevate your beauty routine. Now, I don't know about you, but when it comes to eyeliner, it's all about getting that bold, sharp line that stays put. No smudging or fading, even through a long day. And if you're in the market for one that promises just that, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Exaggerate Liquid Eyeliner in the shade 001 Black. This product claims to offer intense color, long-lasting wear, and a waterproof formula. But let's see if it truly lives up to the hype. First, let's break down the key details. The Scandaleyes Exaggerate Liquid Eyeliner is designed to deliver high-intensity color, promising up to 16 hours of wear without budging. It's also waterproof, so if you're like me and struggle with eyeliner that fades or runs throughout the day, this might be the game changer you've been looking for. With a smooth, glide-on formula, it's easy to apply and gives you that bold, defined look without much effort. Dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested, it's safe for sensitive eyes, which is always a big plus. Now, how did it perform in real life? I put this eyeliner to the test in multiple situations: morning errands, a full day at work, and even through a sweaty workout. I've got to say, it's impressive. The eyeliner glides on effortlessly, creating a smooth and even line without tugging on my skin, which is great for those of us with sensitive eyelids. The color payoff is truly intense. One swipe gives you rich jet black color that doesn't need to be built up. It also dries fairly quickly, which I appreciate, so there's no need to worry about it transferring. As for wear time, I was really impressed. It lasted well beyond the 16 hours it claims, with no smudging, flaking, or fading. I even tested it with a little water splash, and it held up beautifully. It's definitely waterproof, which is a huge selling point. The only downside is that it takes a little extra effort to remove at the end of the day, but that's a minor trade-off when you're dealing with a formula this long-lasting. Let's talk about the applicator. The brush tip is fine and precise, making it perfect for creating both thin, sharp lines and more dramatic, winged looks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to use. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, the intense color and long-lasting waterproof formula are huge wins. The applicator is precise and the product itself is smooth, so it's perfect for creating the perfect cat eye or a bold line. On the flip side, the waterproof nature of this eyeliner makes it a little tricky to remove. But that's a common trait of long-wear formulas, so it's not unexpected. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this eyeliner is totally worth it. At a reasonable price point, you're getting a product that delivers excellent performance, long-lasting, bold color that doesn't smudge or flake. It certainly competes with higher-end liners, making it a great budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a reliable liquid eyeliner. Comparing it to similar products, there are certainly other waterproof eyeliners on the market, but few offer this level of intensity for the price. Some alternatives may offer longer wear or easier removal, but for the performance and affordability, Rimmel nails it with this one. As far as build quality goes, the packaging feels sturdy and the applicator tip holds up well, even with extended use. The eyeliner stays in place and doesn't dry out too quickly, so it'll last you quite a while before you need to repurchase. If you're on the hunt for a liquid eyeliner that will stay put all day, whether you're dealing with heat, humidity, or tears, we've all been there. The Rimmel London Scandaleyes Exaggerate Liquid Eyeliner is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone who needs bold, long-lasting definition without the hassle of constant touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.